Hello and welcome. We have some breaking news from Las Vegas, Nevada. GemCar is rocking. Officially launching our international status, reaching Australia, New Zealand, and Trinidad, GemCar returned from SEMA with more than 100 orders from shops across the United States, from Alaska to Texas, Colorado to Virginia, and many other states. What a great year it's been for GemCar team, the developers of the easiest and yet most complete repair shop software. They are the fastest selling system in Canada, with thousands of users across the country and rapidly expanding in the United States. GemCar has been approved by General Motors for all AC Delco repair shops as the system of choice for their PSC and ACE members across North America. The PSC, Professional Service Center members, are the high-end repair shops, and the ACE, the Automotive Care Experts, is the introduction banner program. Also, Auto Camping, a distributor specializing in European vehicles, also approved GemCar as the system of choice for their customers. And finally, TireCraft, a major tire distributor, have also added GemCar as one of the 2 systems approved for their members. In fact, GemCar now has more than 60 online distributors integrated within their point-of-sale software. GemCar links with both parts and tire distributors across North America. What is their secret, you may ask? We asked one of GemCar users. Here is a comment from Rob Ingram, one of North America's most efficient Napa Auto Pro shops and a TAT customer. He said, "With GemCar, I was able to go from 6 different software to operate my shop with one unique software. What more can we say?" If you run a shop, ask to test drive your demo at www.gem-car.com. Thanks for watching.